This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins out of cake mix easy guide. Mix 1 box of cake mix with 2 eggs, 1/2 cup oil, and 1 cup milk. Stir until smooth and scoop into a greased muffin tin. Fill each cup 2/3 full. Bake at 350 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes, then cool slightly before serving and adding optional glaze or toppings. Warm tip: experiment with mix-ins to keep this simple recipe exciting. Fold in 1 cup of berries or 5 ounces of chocolate chips gently to preserve air. For a tangy, moist crumb, replace 1 cup milk with 1 cup Greek yogurt and reduce oil by 1/4. Spoon batter 2/3 up each cup to allow dome formation, and resist overmixing to keep muffins soft and tender for serving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: enjoy reading while your muffins cool with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a great companion for kitchen downtime and cozy mornings. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals if you want one. And thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve warm or at room temperature for best flavor, and let muffins cool on a rack at least 10 minutes before adding glaze. Store cooled muffins in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze wrapped individually for up to 2 months for quick breakfasts. Rewarm gently in a microwave or oven to refresh texture and enjoy with butter, jam, or cream cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.